Welcome to BIOS Engineer YouTube channel.
I never fix BIOS from China, I make a new one. It's a rule. Today I present an updated BIOS with new features for the Huanan GX99F8 line of motherboards based on the Intel C612 chipset. In general, the board has not undergone drastic changes, the differences have affected only the component base. Super Multi-Input Output chip Nuvoton NCT5532D on new releases is replaced to Nuvoton NCT5567DB. Also, the other set of Realtek ALC HD audio codec are installed instead of ALC 888 in the first board version. The base of electronic components used by VRM has also changed. But this does not require the BIOS to be finalized, since the VRM is not controlled by anything, and its switching circuit is made as an autonomous one, and the control signals are forged by resistors. Supported amount of RAM in accordance with the specifications of the processor up to 1.5 TB, but the board is only 8 memory slots instead of 12. Therefore, physically 1.5 TB of RAM for the Xeon E5 V4 cannot be installed. Theoretically, only 1 TB will work, but in practice this has not yet been tested by anyone known. All the same, this board is designed for gaming PCs, only is assembled only from server components. The main advantage of this BIOS is that it supports all types of DDR4 RAM modules and ECC support is enabled. Support for any type of LGA 2011-3 engineering sample and qualification sample processors, including as well available menu for adjusting RAM timings and overclocking processors with an unlocked multiplier. Today, these are all current changes, not counting the support for resizable bar. The module has also been added to separate versions. Read about resizable bar on links in description the video below. Firmware compiled and switched to production mode. For update firmware, be sure to use the programmer device. To this video should not be long, I will say so. If you bought your motherboard in China, you definitely need a programmer device. This firmware is also suitable for Huanan GX99TF board, so there will be no separate mod. From the inconvenience when applying this firmware to your TF board, there will only be an inscription in the system that your motherboard is called F8. TF motherboard was popular for turbo unlock CPUs that use cheap DDR3 memory modules. The very fact of applying the turbo unlock procedure deprives this firmware of its main advantages: maximum performance and stability with minimal power consumption. Parameters of CX99DE45 firmware you can be found on the product page, the link will be in video description below.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next videos.